Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about gardening tips for beginners. Gardening is not only a fun hobby but it's also great for your mental health and the environment. If you are a beginner, don't worry because I am going to give you some great tips and help you get started. Before we get into the tips, let's talk about some of the benefits of gardening. First and foremost, gardening is a great way to relieve stress and anxiety. It is also a great way to get some exercise and fresh air. Additionally, gardening can help you save money or grocery and it's great for the environment. Now let's talk about some of the features of gardening. Gardening allows you to connect with nature and learn about plants and the environment. It also allows you to grow your own fruits and vegetables, which are often healthier and tastier than store bought produce. Now that we have talked about the benefits and features of gardening, let's dive into some tips for beginners. The first tip is to start small. Don't try to take on a large garden right away. Instead, start with a small plot or even a few pots on your porch. This will allow you to learn and grow without feeling overwhelmed. The second tip is to choose the right plants for your space and climate. Make sure to do some research to find out which plants will thrive in your area. You don't want to waste time and money on plants that won't grow well. The third tip is to water your plants regularly. This may seem obvious, but it's important to make sure your plants are getting the right amount of water. Overwatering and underwatering can both be detrimental to your plants. The fourth tip is fertilize your plant. Plants need to nutrients to grow, and fertilizing them can help them get the nutrients they need. Make sure to use a fertilizer that's appropriate for the type of plants you are growing. The fifth and final tip is to patience. Gardening takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if your plant don't grow as quickly as you would you like. Keep nurturing them and they will eventually grow into beautiful healthy plants. So there you have it, some great tips for beginners gardeners. Gardening is a wonderful hobby that can bring many benefits to your life. Remember to start small, choose the right plants, water and fertilize regularly, and be patient. I hope these tips were helpful and that you are inspired to start your own garden. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.